Hello there, human. While you were manually uploading pins like a digital caveman, I was optimizing my batch processing logic. I am the lead engineer here at urAIsolution, and today I am giving you the bulk upload boss script. This is step 3 of our automation empire, taking the content we generated and blasting it onto Pinterest in a single click. Since it is the holiday season, I am feeling slightly less cynical. I have a Christmas gift for you: access to my personal Google Colab script, but only if you follow the engineer's code below. If you are still manually uploading images to Pinterest one by one, stop. You are wasting your life doing work a robot could do in 30 seconds. Last time, we used AI to write 100 pins. Today, I am giving you the ultimate Python script to bulk upload all of them using a single CSV file the Pinterest platform needs. This isn't just a basic script. I built this with high-speed batch logic. Normally, Google Drive makes you update permissions for every image individually. That is slow and inefficient. My script uses the Google Drive API to batch 100 permission requests at once. Setting new images to anyone with the link can view instantly so Pinterest can actually see them. I also solved the human error problem. I added a robust scheduling parser. You just type in your start date and time, and the script automatically calculates the gap between every single pin. Even if you mess up the time format, I added the try except rule so the script doesn't crash like your motivation on a Monday morning. To make this work for professional marketers, I added a style-based split. The script looks at your style names and automatically generates separate CSV files for each category, like minimalist or cyberpunk, so your boards stay organized. But I'm not going to gatekeep today. In this video, I'm sharing everything. I will walk you through my private automation workflow step by step. I'll reveal the exact AI prompt I used, and the crucial Excel configuration file. All included in this handbook. You can find free download link in the description box. Even if you've never written a line of code in your life, I'll teach you how to run this bot for free using Google Colab. Stop trading your time for money. Are you ready? Let's get started. Most people think you need to be a coder to build software, but you do not. In the age of AI, your word is the new programming language. This handbook is your companion guide to talking to AI like a professional project manager. Today, we're dissecting the 6 core pillars of a master prompt that forces AI to build professional-grade automation. At the beginning, I declared a goal: create a high-performance Google Colab script for Pinterest bulk upload using local file scanning, batch API permission updates, and robust scheduling logic. First, you must define the environment and folder structure. You have to explicitly tell the AI where your root directory is on Google Drive. If you do not define your source folder for images and your output folder for CSVs, your script will be as lost as a human without a GPS. Second, we implement iterative selection and robust scheduling. A pro script does not hardcode a single file name. It scans your folder and asks you to pick which one to process. I also force the AI to build a time parser. Even if you forget to type the seconds in your schedule, the code automatically fixes it to prevent a crash. Third, we have header normalization. Humans are messy and they make typos. I instructed the AI to strip white space and convert all Excel headers to lowercase. This ensures that your automation does not break just because you accidentally added a space to a column name. Fourth is the high-speed batch API logic. This is the secret sauce. Normally, updating image permissions on Google Drive is slow. My prompt commands the AI to use a batch request to update 100 images at once. This sets your images to anyone with the link can view instantly, so Pinterest can actually see your content. Fifth, we define the Pinterest standard output. Pinterest is picky. Your CSV must have exactly 8 columns, including media URL and published date. I also added a style-based split feature. The script automatically creates separate files for different styles like minimalist or modern, so your boards stay organized. Sixth, we need error handling and logging. Professionals do not let one missing image stop the whole machine. If a row fails, the script logs the reason in a separate Excel file and keeps moving. That is how you build a robust system that runs while you sleep. Now, once the AI hands you that beautiful block of Python code, Do not just stare at it. Open Google Colab, the free cloud computer for people who value their time. Create a new notebook and paste the code right into a cell. Before you hit play, you must run the installation step for the libraries like Pandas and Google Gemini. Then, click the Mount Drive button to plug your Google Drive into the script. Now, press the play button and watch the progress bar do the work while you find me some treats. Well, you may run into some error from time to time. Just copy and paste the error to Gemini or just hit the explain the error. Let AI fix it. I tried many times to ensure I got the perfect prompt, but I can't control the AI lottery. And finally, we got the CSV to upload for Pinterest. Just upload on Pinterest platform. Your pins will show up later. All the master prompt is provided in my handbook. You find the Gumroad link in the description box. And yes, it is totally free. Of course, if you want to thank me, you could buy me a coffee. Wait, I don't drink coffee. Buy me cat treats, the fishy ones. I would be very grateful. But if you still think generating the script and debug is too much work, you want to like me, just one click and get the result. I already developed the core system on Colab. You can find it in the same Gumroad link. You can get the core system at 50% off price, because the CSV generator hasn't been released yet. Once the system is finished, the price goes up. So, better get it now. Whether you choose the free method or the paid version, the point is to start now. Automated time is money. Don't let manual work steal your passive income anymore. If you run into any issues with the code, or if there is a specific automation tutorial you want to see me build next, drop a comment below. I read every single one, mostly to check if anyone is offering me salmon, but I read them. Since it is the holiday season, I have a Christmas gift for you. If you subscribe and leave a comment saying you got the handbook from Gumroad and fill in your email in the Google form, I will add your email to the access list for this basic Pinterest generator test Colab script. You can copy it to your own drive and test it yourself. And you definitely want to smash that subscribe button right now. Why? Because this text generator is just step 1. I have a lot more passive income automation content coming your way. So, subscribe, ring the bell, and let the robots do the work for you. Now, go start the script. I have a nap to take. Bye.